Beginning in 2010, TPA has annually recognized an Outstanding Farm Family of the Year. This year, 3 TPA member complexes submitted their Outstanding Farm Family nominations. Last year's winner was Parham's Pullets from Weakley County. The Parhams grow pullets for the Tyson-Obion County complex in Union City. After winning this TPA recognition, TPA and Tyson-Obion nominated the Parham Family Farm for U.S. Poultry's Farm Family Environmental Excellence Awards recognition. The Parhams were selected as national winners and were recognized this past January at IPPE. The Parhams were also recently recognized as finalists for the Governor's Environmental Excellence Awards program in Tennessee. These are outstanding accomplishments and such great recognition for Parham's Pullets, Tyson OBC, and the poultry industry in Tennessee. And now, TPA is proud to announce that the 2023 TPA Farm Family of the Year is awarded to Swafford Farms from Dresden, Tennessee. Swafford Farms is owned and operated by Keith and Gina Swafford of Dresden, Tennessee. From 2003 to the present, the Tyson-Obion County complex has given them the opportunity to own and operate 3 different poultry operations due to a great working relationship that has had a positive impact on the poultry industry. The Swaffords began growing for the Obion County complex in 2003 with the purchase of their first 4-house broiler farm in Weakley County. They added 2 more 42 by 420-foot houses and grew birds there through 2006. Swafford Farms later purchased their second farm in 2014, with this one being in Obion County, and it consisted of 6 42 by 420-foot broiler houses. In 2017, the Swaffords received the Golden Feather Award for the Obion County complex, which is based on the grower being excellent to work with, a good neighbor in the community, and a positive representative of the complex. The Swaffords sold their last flock from this farm in January of 2018. Later in 2018, Swafford Farms relocated their operations to Weakley County on Winstead Road, where they built 6 54 by 595-foot houses. 219,600 birds are placed each flock with a target weight of 7.7 pounds to be achieved at approximately 51 days of age. In 2020, they were awarded Best 7-Day Mortality for the Obion County complex with a 1.102% for the year. Also in 2020, they were awarded Broiler Grower Excellence in Livability for the complex, having a 96.27% livability for the year. Working with their local NRCS office, the Swaffords constructed a baffle water gate to prevent erosion by slowing down rainwater coming down between the barns and the litter shed. They additionally installed catch basins on the lower 3 barns in which water is piped to the lower areas to stop erosion. The Swaffords have their houses decaked between flocks, and litter is exported off the farm to prevent nutrient excesses from entering the tributary streams that flow into the nearby Strawberry Branch. They additionally participate in the CRP, the Conservation Reserve Program through NRCS, and take extra measures to protect their wildlife habitat. Keith works on the poultry farm full-time, and Gina is in her 32nd year as the Associate Vice Chancellor for Development and Plan Giving at the University of Tennessee at Martin. She also manages the payroll, billing, and tax management for the family farm. Their older son, Coulter, lives in West Palm Beach, Florida, and is a yacht salesman, along with his wife, Tiffany, who is a radiology technician, and their new daughter, Emery. Their younger son, Kurt, is a 2023 graduate of Dresden High School, where he earned his FFA Chapter Farmer degree and was named the Chapter Star in Greenhouse and Landscape Management. Kurt also works on the family's poultry farm during the summers and school breaks and will begin classes at Tennessee College of Applied Technology in September, majoring in information technology. It is his dream to one day own his own poultry farm. Swafford Farm was nominated by the complex's live production manager, Rob Brown, and Denver Melton, and service tech, Cody Perkins. Now, if the Swaffords and the Tyson O'Brien folks would come forward, we'd like to present the family the TPA Farm Family of the Year farm sign and a check for $500. Congratulations.